Again and again. You know what? I'm gonna go straight to the point. The point is that someone asked me this question. And you know what I mean? The only thing I could say to myself, I need to ask my fans them what they say. Because I've been boiling water in my kettle for many years, nothing did wrong with me. But one person said to me, Chef Ricardo, boiling water in your kettle at home, it is good for you, yes or no? I said to the person, you know what, Ben? It's a very interesting question, but I've been using my kettle water for many years. You know what I mean? Many people boil a kettle and then they pour it into a bottle, cool it down and pour it into a bottle and put it into the fridge. You know what I mean? You know when they boil water in a kettle, they say it kill all the bacteria and everything. So, you know what, Ben? I'm asking my fans and my audience to say, please leave your comments down below because other else people want to know what's going on. They come up with this idea if boiling water at your home in your kettle, if it's good for you, yes or no. I've been using my kettle for many years, nothing wrong with me. So leave your comments below and thank you so much, guys. It's just a simple question, you know what I mean, asking. So I need to ask my audience and my fans them and let them leave their comments down below and I will pass on the message to the fans them. Alright guys, so do you boil your kettle water at home? Do anything happen to you? I don't know. So please leave your comments below. I respect you, I love you all. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me and get your favorite recipe. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team and Steph.